Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maritza. If you guys are new, please be sure to subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you guys will be notified when I post new videos. So in today's video, I will be going to Target to try to find the perfect ingredients to make an iced coffee. Basically, I want to make it exactly like Starbucks makes it, hopefully even better. I'm also gonna buy a cup from Starbucks so that it looks more like a Starbucks drink. But all I get when I go to Starbucks is an iced coffee with extra cream and simple syrup. Basically, simple syrup is just sweetener. Sometimes I just say sweetener. And then to the top of that, I add whipped cream and powdered cinnamon. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy all of the ingredients to make that at home. So if you guys wanna see how I make it and if I even find the ingredients, then just stay tuned. So we're headed out. Here's little David. David always does this. I wanted to show you guys. He'll literally grab a bunch of his toys and try to bring them with him. He even brought this, and he brought that ball, and he brought this little, it's like a little candy machine type of thing. But yeah, he has all of those. Whoa, are you okay? And he like brings those all with him and just doesn't want to leave them. So we're about to head out. So I'm driving. I was just at a red light, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm literally driving at a street called Coffee Road. I hope you guys can see that. Smile, David. So we found this unsweetened, and then we have our water, which I'm just gonna use that for later. So we're at the creamer section, and I'm gonna take this one, heavy whipping cream, which I'm gonna take the big one because I'm pretty sure I'll use most of it. So now I'm looking for like a sweetener, basically like those pump sweeteners, the one you can like pump into your drink. Can't find anything. I'm just like where the coffee is, and got this. Okay guys, so to sum things up, we bought everything you guys saw, which is the Starbucks coffee. So it was like a medium roast, it's unsweetened. So I bought the cane sugar from Starbucks, and I also bought the cup just so I can put it in a Starbucks cup. And I also got the heavy whipping cream. So whenever I went back to Starbucks, I asked them like what type of cream do they use like on the iced coffees. They said half and half, but I got the heavy whipping cream. I think it'll just be a lot better. So I'm headed to my sister's house right now, and we're gonna try it out. I also bought whipped cream to put on top, and then I didn't buy powdered cinnamon. I was hoping my sister would have it at her house, but we'll see when we get there. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Hopefully this works out and we actually like the coffee, but I will definitely let you guys know. So this is all I will be using. Here is just regular iced coffee. This is medium roast and it's unsweetened. So I bought this liquid cane sugar. By the way, guys, excuse all the background noise. I'm at my sister's, my mom's house, and my sister's here, and we have all the kids just playing and running around. And then I will be using heavy whipping cream, and then I'm just gonna add whipped cream to the top here, and hopefully powdered cinnamon. I'm gonna see if my mom has it. Okay. So first of all, I got this cup at Starbucks, like I already mentioned. I'm gonna take my iced coffee, and I'm just gonna give it a good shake. So I will be adding my iced coffee, about that much, and my brother's behind the camera, so he's gonna be helping me record. And then I'm gonna be using my heavy whipping cream. So I love the flavor of whipped cream and stuff, so I'm obviously kind of adding a lot of this. So I've already added my heavy whipping cream, and then usually I would add about like 4 pumps of this, but it doesn't come with a pump, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna add like a few capfuls of this. I think maybe just like, there's one. That would probably be about like a pump, 2. I'm just gonna do like 3 of these. So then I'm just going to close it before I add the whipped cream and just give it a good little shake here. So now I'm just gonna add my whipped cream to this. And I guess I have to take off the lid. So I just added my whipped cream, and I did have to take off the lid because I am gonna add the ground cinnamon, which is just like powdered cinnamon. Obviously, it's the same thing. And thankfully my mom did have this because it's bomb with this. So we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of that. And obviously you guys can, whoa, it's kind of a lot. You guys can either skip this step or do this step, whatever you'd like.
It's just an add-on step. Yeah,
it's just a little add-on. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it and put my straw in there. And my iced coffee is all done. So here it is. Now I'm just gonna be trying it. Oh my gosh, this is so good, and it tastes so creamy because of the heavy whipping cream. Definitely way better than Starbucks, you guys. And it does taste like Starbucks because of the original iced coffee that we had here. So this is just so good, you guys. I do recommend it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys are gonna try it. If you guys do, let me know what you guys think. That is it for today's video, you guys. Be sure to stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Be sure to turn on the post notifications so you guys don't miss out on any video that I post. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.